Most of the investors I work with are busy professionals or business owners. They know property is one of the safest and most reliable ways to build long-term wealth, but simply don't have time for all the legwork. That's exactly where I step in. Here's how the process works start to finish if you decide to work with myself. We'll start with a quick 5 to 10 minute chat just to get an idea of where you are and whether I can help. If it looks like we're a fit, we can book a discovery call, which is normally a video call, just to get an idea of exactly what you're looking for. Are you looking for a steady cash flow on the side to maybe drop some hours at work? Are you looking for a longer investment plans, maybe an alternative to a pension scheme? The initial phone call and the discovery call will allow me to understand exactly what you're looking for. This means I can tailor a strategy that works for you on your short, medium and long-term goals. Once I know what you're looking for, I can then go out and find you a buy-to-let property in the East Midlands areas that ticks all the right boxes. The properties I find are in areas like Lincoln, Nottingham and Derby, where the rental yields are high and the principles for long-term growth is strong. Every deal that I bring to my clients is a deal that I'd buy for myself. I'll run all the due diligence on the property and the numbers and make sure the property stacks financially in the worst case scenario. When working with me, you're not going to be on Rightmove scrolling through different properties, worrying about different hidden fees, with refurb, with the acquisition. I'll show you exactly what it will cost on a spreadsheet so you can make an informed decision, and you can grill me on all the different numbers on the spreadsheet to make sure you're 100% happy before committing. I'll always encourage my clients to do their own due diligence on the property and the numbers, make sure they're 100% confident with the property before going ahead with it. There's nothing hidden, I'll show you exactly what you need to invest and you can do your own research as well. I'll then connect you with trusted professionals that I work with regularly, mortgage brokers who will get you the best mortgage deal, and solicitors that know buy-to-lets inside out and know how to get the process moving quickly. I'll manage the process alongside yourself so you're not worried about chasing solicitors or managing paperwork on your own. Once we've got the property over the line, we've got the keys, now it's time for a light renovation. And I always like to find properties that need a bit of work just for the better valuation, better rent. It's things like carpets, decoration, fixtures to the kitchen and bathroom. My team will complete all the work for yourself so you don't have to worry about the refurb or the builders. My team will draw quotes beforehand so you know exactly how much it will cost. Throughout the refurb, I'll send you photos and videos of the progress so you'll never have to set foot on site if you don't want to. Once a refurb's complete, I make sure the property is tenant ready and compliant to current standards. We'll then use trusted letting agents to market the property and do full background checks on prospective tenants. They'll make sure there's no adverse credit, CCJs or bankruptcy history. We're looking for professionals and families who pay on time and will look after your property. And I know you might be thinking, what's the whole point of this? £50,000 is a lot of money to invest in a property with all the uncertainty with what's going on. But let's actually talk about the long game of property investment. If we look at historical trends, even with catastrophes like 2008 or COVID, property prices tend to go up in value over time. And if we use a very conservative 4% figure, your property investment is going to be worth a lot more in 20 years than what it's worth today, all while you're receiving a monthly income from the rent each month. And not only that, is you'll be able to refinance in 12 to 24 months to pull money from the property equity to buy more properties in the future. That's how real generational wealth is built, one deal at a time, compounding over the years. So the end goal is very clear and very simple. We want to be finding properties that will build you long-term wealth, monthly rental income without you having to do the legwork. I've done this for myself since 2022. I've helped other clients do the same, even if they're based down south, and I'd love to show you how I can help you do the same. Thanks for watching today, guys, and if you did enjoy this video and you want to see more content like it, make sure to press like and subscribe, and if you want to find out more information about the service, click the link, leave your details, and I'll be in touch to see if I can help.